Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Again, we would like to welcome everyone for the second and final part of today's Philippine Association Esports Forum live here at the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex. And partner, maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors agad. Milo Philippines, San Miguel Corporation, Arena Plus, Philippine Sports Commission, and Philippine Olympic Committee.
Yes, okay, sa ngalan pa rin ng ating PSA President na si Francis Ochoa and all the members of our Philippine Sports Writers Association, we do invite you for this last part of our first session for the year 2026. Hope that you are with us through our live streaming at PSA Facebook page. Likewise, on a daily basis over Sports Radio 918. Ako po si Judy Carinado.
Yes, partner. And this morning, itong final session natin, we have the newly appointed official of the National Academy of Sports. Ako sa pag-uusapan, number one, the grassroots sports program ng Philippine Sports Commission. And, of course, yung mga gagawin nilang programa, not just in their basic life, but all over the Philippines. Please.
Yes, for the next 5 years, let's get to know more about the National Academy of Sports, the continuing and definitely new plans and programs of this government-run sports academy based at the new Clark City Sports Complex in Capas, Tarlac. So without further ado, we are so pleased to have here with us Professor Francis Carlos Kiko Diaz, the newly appointed Executive Director of National Academy of Sports. Good morning. Welcome to the PSA Forum, sir.
Good morning, Ma'am Judy. And of course, sa lahat ng kasapi ng Philippine Sports Writers Association, it's my honor and privilege to be with you in your inaugural 2026 session after you've had your very successful awarding ceremony. So, again, let me take this opportunity to thank all of you sports writers and all our partners for bringing this initiative sa ating mga kababayan.
Yes, again, ladies and gentlemen, Executive Director of ED, Francisco Diaz, or Dean Kiko to his wives at the University of the Philippines, Dean Kiko, and of course, colleagues. Please tell us, ano ba itong mga new programs na gagawin mo for National Academy of Sports?
Okay, thank you, Sir Randy. So, siguro, just a very brief background there on what the National Academy for Sports is. So, it's termed NAS, and as stated by Ma'am Judy earlier, it's situated at the New Clark City in Capas, Tarlac. So, the Academy became operational back in 2020, and its former and initial Executive Director was Professor Joy Reyes, also from PSC and UST. Ito ay isang special high school na it's akin to like the Philippine Science High School or the Philippine High School for the Arts in Makiling. So, ginawa ng gobyerno at isa batas ito at ngayon ay mayroon kami presently 237 students. So basically, twofold ang responsibility ng Academy. This is to provide quality, holistic secondary education to all the student athletes enrolled. And secondly, at ito yung special niche ng mga naka-enroll doon na estudyante. Sila ay dinidevelop rin ng Academy para maging mga future national athletes ng ating bansa na hopefully ay magiging magre-representa sa ating bayan sa mga Olympic Games from regional, from sub-regional, Southeast Asian Games, with the Asian Games, and all the way to the Olympics. This is the dream, but we all have to start dreams and we have to dream big. Like Chairman Pato always says in PSC, hindi po ba? So, hindi na ito isang dream na lamang kasi nga naisa katuparan na. And we are slowly but surely progressing and meeting the challenges that it comes along and hopefully delivering its mission para dun sa existing pool of student athletes natin at the National Academy of Sports.
So Dean, now you have, sabi ko nga, you have 237 students.
Right.
So paano gagawin yung expansion ng programa ito?
Okay, so ang key deliverables actually dun sa academy ay unang-una, nandun lang muna sa main campus, sa campus, no? May ginagawang admission pathway ang NAS para maka-recruit ng maraming mga estudyante all over the country. Truth to be told, right now we have a total of around 240 grade 6 students that are currently being vetted out for admission this year na ang tatanggapin lang ay mag-range from mga 20 to 35 students for the uptake of 2026. No? So, mahirap din siya actually na makapasok. No? But to answer your question, kasama rin sa mandate ni National Academy of Sports yung eventual establishment of a regional campus or kung sa Philippine Sports Commission, Regional Training Center. No? So, kinakailangan rin na pumunta kami sa labas ng mga probinsya, makipag-collaborate either with existing academic institutions or a local government unit which is a very active sports program para mailunsad yung aming regional campus doon sa area na yun. So wala pa kami doon, pero nagsistart tayo isa doon dahil as I mentioned, nandun rin sa mandato namin yun. But to add to that already, one more of the yet to be implemented things that we're doing in NAS that was already started by my predecessor was to implement a specialized sports curriculum. Di ba? Kasi nga, parang yung ginugroom mo sa Philippine Science, sila yung magiging scientist natin. No? So, nagpupunta sa medicina, sa engineering. So, ganun din sa amin. So, dapat, habang nandun sila at nag-aaral, meron silang mataas na antas ng kaalaman pagdating sa sports and exercise science, physical education. So, nasimula na lahat ito, papunta na dun sa mga next phase to be vetted out and eventual implementation.
Dean, this one more.